Hey everybody. This is Nigel with JVWM. And in this video, we're going to quickly explore our form builder feature. Now, if you've ever had to build out a contact us form or a form to generate a lead on your website or landing page, you've typically had to buy an outside service for that. So we went ahead and built our own form builder. Now let's go ahead and build one together, just so you see how this works. Quite simple to use. I'm going to go to Create New Form. And in this example, let's just say, I'm trying to capture a new lead on my website. So I will just call this form New Lead. Perfect. Alright. So it's going to load a blank form for us, and now we need to start building it out. You're going to see on the right hand side here, there are a variety of options that we can just click and drag to the form. I'm going to keep this one pretty basic. So I'm going to gather the first name. I want the prospect's last name. I want their phone number, and let's also grab the email. Alright. So assuming this has all the information I need, I'll go ahead and save it. Now, keep in mind, there are a ton of options over here, so you can build this form however you like, but for this example, this should suffice. Alright. So I got the basics done. Let's go ahead and customize this form a bit. Maybe I want to change the form style of it. Maybe I want it wide, or I want to change background colors or text colors. Maybe I want to change the text that appears on the submit button right now. Default is save information I'm going to save, or I'd rather change that to submit. Alright, that's good to go. If I want my company logo to appear on this, I just move this toggle switch over. Okay. So I'm comfortable with this. Let's go ahead and save it. Now, we're going to customize what's possible even further, so I'm going to go up here to Form Settings. And in addition to contacts being automatically added into your CRM, when they fill out a form, there's additional functionality that we built in. So you'll see this option here, Link to Campaign. Now, maybe you want to set it up so that as soon as the lead fills out this form, they are automatically added to a drip campaign you've pre-built. So if that's the case and you want to link it up, you would just select your campaign from this drop-down menu. On top of that, maybe you want to add someone to your click and drag pipeline when they fill out this form. If so, you would just choose the pipeline you want to add them to. What do you want to happen after someone submits this form? You can display a thank you message. Or you could redirect them to another URL. And then finally, you can include some branding about your company as well. Let's go ahead and assume we like all these settings and save it. Alright. So that's good to go. One last step. Now, how do you actually use this form? There's a few ways you can do so. First thing we're going to do is we are going to create a landing page for you. So it's going to spit out this ugly URL to you, which you can pretty up using bit.ly links or things like that. But this is where you could redirect people to view this form and fill it out. Or you can embed it on your landing page, on your website using the embed code or the HTML code. So this is a pretty sweet feature we built in here. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you money, and it's going to make it very easy to get your leads inside the system. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care.